Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in the Dollar Tree, just coming to browse today. I was going to do a little shopping in here, but I decided to go to another one in my area, but I'm just popping by this one right here. So they have all the DIY 3D craft kits up here in the front. The Snowman, this little craft kit right here, the Christmas tree. We've seen all of these before. The little bows, red and white. They still have a lot of the metal reef hangers. I see red and green down there at the bottom. This is an LED light set in blue. I see red, clear white. They have some of these ornaments right here, these felt ornaments. They have the Christmas tree, the snowman, and the red stocking. They have these right here. This will be a great DIY project. These snowflakes. They have the monogram ornaments right here. I see S. Just S only. And a lot of these items right here we've already seen, guys. Here's some more of the letter ornaments right here. The wooden trees, the bell, the ornament, and they have a star there as well. Some of the little snowman, you can paint these. All right, so I'm right here by the round table right here. So they have these right here. Merry Christmas. Let's see, they have a lot of stuff that we've seen before on this round table right here. I saw some of these right here. These little guys right here. They have the one in the red suit, the black. I see green. And I think I see a light blue one back here. Let's see. Yeah, this little light blue jacket. Those are really cute. The little snowman, you can use these for candles or a drink or whatever you want to use these for. All right, so let's walk around, guys, and see what they have. They have a lot of nice caps out by Juncture. We have this one right here. I really like the brown and white one. They have this gray and green. Here's another one right here, gray and blue. These colors. A lot of scarves down here, and these are nice right here. Has a little glitter. Very nice. And I also see the gloves as well. We have the gloves. All right, so down this aisle right here is Halloween, so we're not going to go down this aisle. I'm pretty sure we've seen all of those. More fall items. Okay, so I haven't seen these baskets right here. I guess these are new to me because I haven't been in here in so long. But they have orange, burgundy, and blue. They have the smaller ones as well. The same colors, orange, burgundy, and blue. Hello Fall, they have all of the cups. And look at this one right here. I've seen this one before, but seen this last year, but I haven't seen this one for this year. We've seen everything like that. So let's go to this back wall back here where the Christmas items are. And they're still putting out things right here. But I want you guys to see the little, I'm not sure if these are, yeah, these are gnomes. So they have these ones right here. We've seen these ones, but the one with the little shirt on and the little hat, it's really cute. Gnome for the holidays. Merry Christmas. From our gnome to yours. Some more of the ornaments. They still have the berry garlands in white, gold, and red. All right, so a lot of the Christmas picks are out already. I love the berries, little gold and silver berries. They have some of the purple ones, red. They have this 5-pack of ornaments right here. I see this one right here. And they also have this one right here with the white Christmas trees. And I also see a blue one back there as well. Some of these little clips right here with the cardinal birds, the pine cones, the decorative clips. We have this one right here. This one just has the berries and the little bow. This one has the presents, the drum, pretty pink flowers right there. All right, so let's start with the ornaments right here. So they have these right here. Make your tree come alive, and you press the play button, it activates. Changes different colors. Those are really nice. Okay, so they have the tree toppers in gold and silver. The ornaments right here, you get 2 in gold. They have these ones right here. Here are the silver ones. They have the decorative bells in silver, red, and there's a gold one up there at the top. Some of those ornaments right there, I see silver, this white. They have these right here, the gold and the white church houses. They also have this tarnished color right here. They have these ones right here, those. All right, so they have these right here. They have a lot of these right here. If you can see those, I'm going to move this to the side. They have a 12-pack. They have that one. I see blue, pink. They have some really pretty colors. They have the 7-piece here. A lot of colors. Let's see, more ornaments down here at the bottom. So they have the bigger ones here in white and black and red and black. All right, so how cute are these right here with the cardinal birds? They have the little pine cones. These ones right here. They also have these ones with the deers. They brought the doors back. Have these. This is a two-piece right here. It says holly. Well, actually, it's just one ornament, but it says holly and jolly. I see peace, and believe is up there as well. And how cute are these right here? So this one has a Christmas tree, a reindeer. We have these ones right here. Gold and pink and white. I also see this tarnished color right here as well. A lot of glitter. They bought the sleighs back. Ski left. I see that in gray and white. White and red, and I see the white and red up there at the top, the red and white. Excuse me guys, my allergies are really acting up this week, so if I sound strange, that's the reason why. Excuse me. I see the gold and the red ornaments. They have these ones. These are really pretty. They have those. We saw the bigger ones, but they have the smaller ones as well, and you get 2 of these. They also have them in black and white. There's some ornaments up here, the snowflakes up here. They have those, and you get 6 of these. And those. So up there at the top, up there, if you guys can see the little snowbird. That's a little snowbird right there. They have the deer ornaments and white and gold, the tarnish. How cute is this little birdhouse right here? And I see the top of that, the little the roof. They have them in brown, and I see like a burgundy one right here as well. All right, so here's the little snow owls again. They have this one right here. I think they're the same. Actually, no, this one is more white. This one's right here. It's just, are they the same? Yeah, they're the same. I think this one's just a little bit bigger than this one. They also have those houses, those little bird houses in black and white. These ones right here. Those have the snowflakes. I see the Christmas tree, the deer, and the bell up there that says Merry Christmas. Let's see if I can take that down. All right, this is what it looks like. I hope I can put that back up there. So let's see if I can put it back up there. Oh no, I can't. So I'm just gonna hold on to this for a little while. This one right here says Merry Christmas. Really pretty. They have the stars. Here's a little ornament right here, the circular one. They have the Christmas tree. And they have that one up there at the top up there. So they have the little snow boots, the sleighs. Let's see here. They have the black and white, red and white. They have a lot of nice ornaments this year. So here is a snowman. They have Santa. Okay. They have the little wooden Christmas tree and the snowflake up there. Peace. Merry. Believe. Some more of the little ornaments right here. These, I really like these right here. The cross in gold and silver and the white one up there at the top. And they have a lot of the little church houses right here. Let me see. And they actually light up. Let's see if I turn it on. I think it's battery operated. Let's see. Yeah, I think you have to put a battery on the inside, but it's an LED ornament on the little church houses. They have the snowflakes up here. Well, actually, this is a unicorn ornament. They have the angel wings up there at the top. The ballerina. Here's one that's closer. And they're different. So this one right here has her legs on the side. She has her legs going up in the back. You can see that. And I think that one at the top is like jumping or doing something like that. I think, yeah, this one right here. This is what it looks like. They brought these back right here. The gold ears, the stars, Merry Christmas. This right here. I see that in blue only. They have these right here. The deers. Some more of the LED activated lights. And they have the Christmas trees right here. These ones right here. On this side over here, they have a lot of gift boxes. So if you're looking for gift boxes, there are 3 in a pack. 3-piece set. Some more decoration down there. I'm not sure what it is. It looks like it's a clear reindeer. Let's see here. Some more of the ornaments down here at the bottom, different colors. All right, guys. So I'm pretty sure they're going to put more ornaments out, but I just wanted to pop in here really quick and give you guys a brief, just a brief tour of their ornaments. They have a lot of nice ornaments this year. But thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel today. If you are new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Miss Queen Bee. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share, comment, like, And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get alerts each and every time I upload. I really like this one right here. It says Mary, and the one that says peace. Believe. But thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I will see you guys on the next video. All right, guys, so I just want to pop back in. Did you guys see the little gnomes right here? These are really cute. They have these ones right here. They still have a lot of these. I only see the red and the blue one there. The LED wire lights. Here is a stake, yard stake.